If you want to know what's inside a football, then here, hang on, Duke. Now I gotta go chase him. Duke, stop. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Hang on. Get this. Duke. Drop it. Drop it. Okay. Now I got both of these. Okay. So, thanks to my dog, he ripped open my football. He's trying to get it again. Yeah. Inside is really just nothing. But this was inside. Just like a black piece of same shape as the ball. But he ripped it. There's another piece in the yard, I'm gonna go get it. And yeah. This used to go in there, but now he ripped it out, so he can go play with it now. The other piece is over here. I don't know what this is for, but it's just that. Oh well, I guess I don't have a football anymore. Well, that's what's inside of a football.